अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं आपकी होस्ट किंजा पाक न्यूज़ लाइव दुबई से। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मेजर उमर अल मरज़ूकी साहब। चलें उनसे क्वेश्चन करते हैं उनकी मजलिस के रिगार्डिंग। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, हाउ आर यू?
वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह। Thank you very much, fan. Thank you.
Sir, I'm just asking you about the question regarding your majlis. Like, what is the purpose of this majlis in Dubai you are holding from last 18 or 15 years?
Majlis, alhamdulillah, I opened this my majlis to people meet here. Most important, my neighbor to come here, my friends to see each other, investor also, because this life now very difficult. The technology, everybody alone, nobody can meet like before. I opened my majlis a long time to come live like before. I want to do something without mobile.
Oh, that's very great move. Okay, sir. More important thing, I heard about your journey regarding the India traveling. So, how's your experience and how many days you are spending there? And do you want to travel Pakistan as well?
Already, I have many invitation and I have many friends from Pakistan and India.
Okay.
They invite me sometimes for wedding, sometimes for conference, sometimes for some business trip by going. And alhamdulillah, I visit Pakistan also before. I visit Mary. And Islamabad and Lahore.
Kashmir?
And no, Kashmir I not visit still.
Okay.
I visit Karachi. Indian, alhamdulillah, I visit more. I think I visit more than Indian people. I have, alhamdulillah, more good experience. I visit almost all India.
Okay, sir. So let me know about what you want to give a message to our audience who are seeing us through Pak News, through Pakistan and the Dubai as well.
First, thank you for Pak channel. Every time they're following me, all my events. And my message to tell people, try to come together, try to help. If you have power, try to help each other. Don't think when you have power, you have to like beat people. When you have power, you must to help people. This is my message.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome,
Thank you.
welcome.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।